In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best meat thermometers. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best meat thermometers. Number 5, OXO Good Grips Chef's Precision Digital Leave-In Thermometer. The OXO Good Grips Chef's Precision Digital Leave-In Thermometer, a straightforward and reliable choice for home cooks who value precision. This thermometer is designed to stay in your food throughout the cooking process, featuring a stainless steel probe and an easy-to-read digital display. It's perfect for longer roasting sessions, and the programmable alert ensures you'll never overcook your meal. Whether it's a roast chicken or a holiday turkey, you can rely on OXO's precision to perfectly cook your dish. This thermometer's leave-in design is ideal for hands-off cooking, allowing you to go about your day while it tracks the temperature for you. The durable stainless steel construction ensures it can handle high temperatures, and the digital display takes the guesswork out of determining when your food is ready. Number 4, ThermoPro Twin Temp Spike. The ThermoPro Twin Temp Spike is designed for grill masters who value precision and versatility. With 2 wireless probes and a 500-foot Bluetooth range, this thermometer allows you to monitor both your meat and grill temperature remotely. The LCD enhanced booster makes reading temperatures easy, even from a distance, while the probes are perfect for ensuring accurate cooking of everything from turkey to beef. Whether you're grilling, roasting, or using a smoker, the Twin Temp Spike makes achieving the perfect level of doneness a breeze. With its dual probes and enhanced range, the ThermoPro Twin Temp Spike takes the stress out of cooking multiple dishes at once. You can move freely around your home or yard while still keeping an eye on your meal, ensuring precision without constant supervision. Number 3, ThermoSync Dual Probe. The ThermoSync offers the perfect balance of functionality and convenience for any grilling enthusiast. Featuring Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities, this thermometer allows you to monitor your food from a smartphone, ensuring you never miss a beat in your cooking. The dual meat probes enable you to track the temperature of 2 different cuts simultaneously, making it ideal for larger cookouts or multitasking with various meats. Whether you're using it for BBQ, rotisserie, or sous vide cooking, the ThermoSync brings accuracy and control directly to your fingertips. If you're tired of being glued to the grill, the ThermoSync is the solution. Its wireless connectivity and versatile probe system give you the freedom to manage your cooking from anywhere, even indoors. The ability to monitor 2 meats at once streamlines the cooking process and ensures consistent, high-quality results. Number 2, ThermoPro Lightning. For speed and precision, the ThermoPro Lightning Meat Thermometer delivers an instant read in just 1 second. Designed for all cooking styles, its calibratable function ensures you get the most accurate temperature readings every time. The waterproof design is ideal for grilling, smoking, or deep frying, and its durable construction can handle high-heat environments. With an ambidextrous display, this thermometer caters to both right and left-handed cooks, making it practical and user-friendly for everyone. Whether you're flipping burgers on the BBQ or preparing a roast in the oven, the ThermoPro Lightning brings ease to the process. Its instant read capability eliminates the frustration of waiting, so you can focus on perfecting your meal. If you're someone who values precision and quick results, this thermometer offers the convenience you need with the reliability you expect. No matter your cooking style, ThermoPro ensures flawless results with minimal effort. Number 1, Meter Pro/2 Plus. The Meter Pro/2 Plus is the ultimate wireless meat thermometer for grilling enthusiasts. With a Bluetooth-enabled range and certified accuracy, it allows you to monitor your cooking from up to 165 feet away, even when grilling at extreme temperatures as high as 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Its multi-sensor capability tracks the internal temperature of your meat and ambient heat, ensuring your food is perfectly cooked every time. Whether you're grilling, roasting, smoking, or deep frying, the Meter Pro/2 Plus makes it easy to take the guesswork out of cooking. If you love cooking but hate being tethered to the grill, this thermometer offers true freedom. Its extra long-range Bluetooth connection means you can control and monitor your meat from a distance, making it perfect for entertaining or multitasking. The sleek design, paired with its high-precision sensors, makes it a must-have for pros and home cooks alike. Whether you're cooking on the BBQ or air frying, the Meter Pro/2 Plus delivers consistent, professional-level results that will impress even the most discerning of guests. And there you have it, the top 5 best meat thermometers that will take your cooking to the next level. No more overcooked or undercooked meals, just perfect results every time. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in our next video.